Welcome to today's beauty care segment. I am your host Monique, and today I have something to show you that will transform your skin into a younger, healthier, and more radiant looking skin at any age. Whether you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50 plus, you need to be exfoliating 1 to 2 times per week to remove dead skin cells off the surface of your skin to allow better penetration and efficacy of your other skincare products such as serums and moisturizers. Other benefits of regular skin exfoliation include a brighter complexion, which means less dullness, sunspots, and discolorations, a reduction in the depth of fine lines, wrinkles, and acne scars, as well as tighter and smaller pores around the nose, cheeks, and chin. Now, the bad news is that if you're looking at yourself in the mirror and you're just starting to see, or you are already seeing the first signs of aging, including dullness, dry skin patches, enlarged pores, dark spots, and you're also having trouble with your makeup application on a day-to-day basis, then you're either not exfoliating enough times per week or simply you are not doing it at all as part of your weekly skincare regime. Moving on to the good news though, now that you understand the benefits of regular skin exfoliation, I am excited to introduce you to the new and upgraded version of Silk'n Revit Prestige Microdermabrasion device. What's so special about this product is that in just 4 minutes after one single exfoliating treatment, you will see dramatic results without any skin irritation or downtime. It is suitable for all skin types, and you will immediately see an improvement in skin tone, texture, and hydration. What's included in the package? A complete user's manual, 4 different head tips, 3 diamond tips for exfoliation, 1 massage tip to stimulate circulation and lymphatic drainage, can also be used over skin hydrating mask to stimulate deeper penetration of skin active ingredients, 30 disposable filters, 1 head tip cleaning brush, 2-in-1 stand and charging cradle, and last but not least, the amazing and magical transformative microdermabrasion device that includes an LCD screen, power button, on and off, a mode button to choose between manual and auto mode exfoliation, 2 control buttons, you can choose your intensity exfoliating level, 1 being the lowest, 2, and 3 being the highest. And the start button to begin and to pause. Now, choosing between manual and auto mode exfoliation, the manual mode, you decide how much time you want to spend on each of the facial areas, which include forehead, eye area, down the nose, cheeks, chin, and neck area. On the other hand, the auto mode selection includes a digital countdown timer that you can see on the screen and prompts you with a double beep to move on to the next facial area for a total of 4 minutes altogether. And that includes across the forehead, around the eye area, down the nose, cheeks, chin, and neck area. So just to give you a demo, I've already placed one of the disposable filters. I will be using the body diamond tip, and I'm gonna set this on manual. So I'm gonna do level number 3. Start. So what you wanna do if you're doing your face, any of the facial areas, as I mentioned, there's a countdown timer, but if you're doing your body, you want to make sure that your face, you're pressing down, you're putting down some pressure, and you're doing long strokes. So what's actually happening, all the dead skin cells are being broken down, and all the debris, it's being vacuumed. You can hear that, it's being that suction. Right, so you just want to keep track of your time. Once you're done doing each of the facial areas or any areas of concern on your body, you may end up with a little bit of redness, but that's normal. So what I usually do when I do this treatment for myself, I wash my face with cold water, then I put on a hydrating mask, and then of course I use the massage tip for maybe about 2 minutes. Continue leaving on the hydrating mask for another 2 to 3 minutes. Rinse off with cool water. Follow with your toner, serum, eye cream, and moisturizer. Now you may be wondering, what is the cost of this product? The price of this microderivation device is very affordable. One full payment of $199.99, or you can choose 4 easy payments of $49.99 each here at the shopping channel. Now, I want you to think about 3 things. 1, the money savings. 2, the cost per treatment. And 3, the travel time you need to invest going to the spa when you can easily and conveniently do it from the comfort of your own home. And you get to choose the frequency per week, time, and day you wish to do so. So go ahead, make your purchase today here at your favorite shopping place, the shopping channel. 1 full payment, $199.99. or 4 easy payments of $49.99 each, and say hello to a younger, healthier, and more radiant looking skin in just 4 minutes.